Guys, I've just dropped the latest update for 1.4.2 video for the DJI Mini 2, and thank you so much to Snobby Bobby for pointing this out, because I held my hands up, I did miss this, and this is a big problem, especially for iOS users. A great function which we've had since the DJI Mini 2 was here was the ability to charge your phone when it was connected to the RC. But as pointed out brilliantly in the control menu, we now no longer have the ability to charge your phone whilst it's connected to the controller. Why on earth has this been removed? This needs putting back instantly, DJI, another update out, and then this can be sorted, because it's a great feature which we all love. On Android, this charges straight away as soon as you actually connect the phone to the RC, so that's not a problem. You can't actually prevent it charging. But on iOS, there is nothing. I've looked in the battery information, I've looked on through the control menu about 100 times, and nothing. And when it's connected, as you can see that top right hand corner, that battery is not charging. So the ability which we did have to charge your phone when it's connected to your controller, if you do have a low battery, that has now gone. So DJI, please, another update, fix this. There's no reason why we shouldn't have this. Really quick video. Thanks so much for making me aware about this. This is now lost on 1.4.2. So if you love having the charging function, maybe consider not upgrading and just stay at 1.4.0. Thanks very much, guys. Really quick video there.